Duck moose là cái gì?
Duck moose. Duck moose. A winner. He's a winner.
Okay. Duck moose. Duck.
Yes.
Duck.
Another duck.
Duck.
Moose.
Sit down here. Now sit next to me. Come on. Sit.
Just like Bucky.
Sit up.
Why? Why you do this?
One day in the great north-ocean, sure is getting cold, said Duck. I'm freezing,
Who?
said another duck.
Another duck?
Just the
Why
way.
is he freezing?
No, that's the way I like it, said Moose. So this duck say it's getting cold, and this duck say I'm freezing, and this Moose just like the cold weather. I love NH là gì?
I don't know.
That's the great state of New Hampshire.
Oh.
Say it, New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
State of New Hampshire.
State of New Hampshire.
You guys want to get pancakes? Said Moose. No can do, said Duck. We going south for the winter, said another duck. Okay?
Why do you go and buy pancakes?
So the moose want some pancake, but the ducks they leaving because it's too cold for them. Understand? They have to move to the south.
Then leaving a what?
Leaving the moose
Why?
because they cold. They need to move south.
And they leave it?
They leave the moose. Bye moose.
Bye, Moose.
We going south for warmer weather.
We're coming to the moon there.
Okay?
Why do you want to go?
So you should come with us, said Duck. You just might like it, said another duck. No way, said Moose. I like it right here. I like cold weather. Bear will get pancakes with me. See, they go to bear cave. Moose finding bear, so bear can have pancake, making pancake with Moose. Bear cave. Do not disturb till spring, sighed Bear. But bears already hibernating. Say it, hibernate. Hibernate like sleep through the winter. Because bear need to sleep.
If not, he will be what?
He will be cold and hungry. So he decided to sleep through the winter.
Okay.
So when the spring bear wakes up, bear will find food later.
Okay.
Don't do that. But you gotta be kidding me, said Moose. I guess I have to go and get pancakes by myself. So bear's already sleeping. Bear already hibernating.
He's hiding?
Hibernating.
Hibernating!
Rồi, sit down. Duck's ready to leave. Only Moose stay. Moose has to get pancake by himself. Okay? But the pancake hut was closed until spring. This is going to be long and lonely winter.
Why is that one closed?
Because it's cold.
Cold?
So they close.
They're closed?
Pancake hut closed for the season. Unless you guys still have room for me. So Moose decided to get on the car with two ducks.
No.
And away they went.
They're leaving.
Getting the south! Heading to the south!
Why scare me?
I don't scare you.
You say what?
I say, going to the south.
Why?
Because it's warmer down there. It has no snow. Have a lot of activities in the winter.
Stop saying that.
Look.
It's too loud. It's gonna hurt my ear.
I'm sorry. So they leaving New Hampshire To New York? To New Jersey? To Washington D.C.? To Pennsylvania? Said Duck. I see New York City. Hey, said another duck. I see Washington D.C. Hey, said Moo. I've got to pee. I need to pee.
Why is there pee?
Because he needs to pee. Somewhere in Georgia, the friends got stuck in the traffic jam.
Why?
Row, row, row your boat, sang duck, gently down the stream, sang another duck. Oh, brother, said Moo. Okay, at last they arrived to beautiful state of Florida.
Florida.
Huh? What do you say? Beautiful state of
America.
America. You beautiful United States of America. Welcome to Florida, said Duck. Watch out for alligators, said another
Watch
duck.
out, alligator though.
Alligator though?
So, I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Oh, alligator day.
No?
Hey.
Oh, okay. Watch out for alligator. So, pancake, said Moo. Can we start for pancake? First start. The
Why
beach.
is being? What is being? What?
He on the beach. Look, it's the beach.
He's being what?
He's out in the beach.
He's being what?
He's swimming and he has seaweed.
He's a
Look.
sea monster.
The sea monster.
The sea monster do what? Who's the that? Do what?
Have a hood, pick a fruit. Larry's you pick. I pick an orange, said Duck. I pick a grapefruit, said other duck. I pick me, said Moose. And the fun went on and on and on. Until one day, they are the best pancake I ever had, said Moose Pancake. What do you guys want to do next? Well, said Duck, the winter is over. It's time to go home now, said another duck. Let's go up to the north. Go back home. No, cried Moose. I don't want to go home yet. Oh, brother, come on, Moose. Let's go home, Moose. Moose, you pick. Sure is good to be back, said Duck. It's getting kind of warm, said another duck. That's the way I like it, said Moose. The end. So let me ask you this, okay? During the winter, during the winter, ducks have to go to the
I don't know.
duck has to go to the subway. Làm gì đấy? No, ugly.
Actually,
Duck has to go to the
no.
go to the south.
South.
And bear doing what?
Why?
Bear doing what? During the winter. No, bear hide.
Hi.
Hide what?
I don't know.
Hibernate.
Hyper.
Hibernate what?
I'm a baby bear.
Bear is hibernating during the winter.
Bear they will have to winter.
You are Dr. Moose. Okay, get another book. Come on. No.
I'm a baby bear.
Chop chop.
Oh, monster.
Nhanh lên.
Oh, where?
Which book you want to read next?
I don't know.
Pick one.
I want to talk about truck.
You want Hooray for Birds? Let's read another book about birds, okay? We already read the ducks, now we read the birds, okay? Okay? Hooray for birds.
Alright, Papa.
How many birds do you have here?
I stuck.
Now count.
Sticky.
Count, please. One.
Sticky. Sticky.
No. Count. Now.
Stick.
One.
One.
You want to read book or no?
Right book.
Okay. Hooray for birds.
Alright, for birds.
Hooray for birds. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doo-doo-doo! Flap your wings. Now, can you flap your wings? Flap, flap, flap. And you can fly higher and higher.
Baby, mommy.
Baby bird, mommy bird.
Fly
Now, flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the
sky.
That's right. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch your stretch your neck. Or you can say stretch your neck, okay? Say hello, darling.
Hey, darling.
Then scoop like a starling.
Darling, the one.
Starling right here.
Darling, the one.
Drip.
Darling, the one.
Đây này, darling đây này, starling đây này.
Darling.
Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round.
Yeah.
Scratch the
What?
ground.
See what?
Is a bird.
No, this
As a fly.
fly.
Uh-huh.
Fly
Scratch.
looking forward.
Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. It's big. Quack, quack, quack. It's the bird's mouth. It's called a beak.
It's going to do what?
Huh?
It's going to bite the what?
Mm.
The fly.
Stand very tall on just one leg. See that? Stand on leg. Now, can you stand on leg? Come on.
I don't know.
Do it. Yeah. Say cluck, cluck, cluck. And lay
Who up?
an.
Egg.
Đúng rồi. Catch a squinger snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Cha-la-la, twitch, twitch, twitch. Hum, hum, hum. Chirp, chirp, chirp. What do like a penguin in the snow?
Baby penguin, mommy penguin.
Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go.
The penguin water?
Show off your
I don't know.
tail
Tail.
and puff out your
I don't know.
chest. Chest right here.
Chest.
Then curl up close with mama in your
And
your
nest.
nest.
And
Baby and mama bird.
We're sleeping
Uh-huh.
together.
What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doo-doo-doo. Now say good night.
Good night.
Twinkle, twinkle, woo, 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 woo.
Yeah.
The end. Back.
Yeah.
Okay, go find your mommy. That's it for today.
That's cute.
That's so cute.
Alright, see you.